Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing my very first beauty subscription box for April, and it is a Glossybox. This is what the box looks like. The monthly subscription costs £13.50. This box is only available in the UK. This is a PR box, so they've sent it to me a little bit early so that I'm able to share with you. I'm also a subscriber, so if you're not already following me over on Instagram, then head on over, Diaryofabeautygeek, same name, as I'll be putting my paid for box up for a giveaway this month. You find details to my Instagram and all my other socials. Plus I have a discount code which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first glossy box. Or if I can find any other discount codes lying around, sometimes you get a freebie. So all the discount codes I can find, plus a link to the subscription, plus a link to the Glossybox website, you'll find down below. So you're welcome to take a look down there, and you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, so inside you get 5 beauty products ranging from anything beauty related, skincare, hair care, makeup. Sometimes we get the odd freebie as well. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. I came home from Iceland last night and this was waiting for me. I haven't seen inside yet, and I haven't seen any spoilers either. Theme this month is Spring Awakening. You've got a QR code there. Because it's not actually the first yet, it might not be able to give me information, but I'll scan it and see. You never know. Yes, it does. It shows me. I want to get to the back page to see if it gives us any idea of what we might be receiving next month. No, it doesn't give us a sneak peek. That is what it looks like. It's a bit all over the place, but a little sneak peek for you. So starting off then with a product I absolutely love, and I've got a few of these. It's IsoClean. It's a makeup cleansing spray. This is genius. I absolutely love it. There's 110 mils here. So you get a cloth, an old towel maybe, whatever you want to use. Spray the brushes. I'll tell you what, I'll show you. I'll go and grab a dirty brush. So you can see it's a dirty brush. And I found an old sock with a hole in. That's the first thing I found. So just saturate the brush. A few squirts. And then, how am I going to do this to show you? And then you just swirl it around. It's antibacterial, super fast. Yeah, look. Look. Okay, then it's a little bit left there. But how quick is that? How quick and easy is that? It dries really quickly as well. I do a lot of like choosing my best top beauty products and things like that, and I'm sure I've featured this in a video before. I'd 100% recommend it for quick and easy brush cleaner. This is deluxe size and it is worth £8. So that's the first item in the box. We got Bella Pierre. It's a mineral bronzer in shade Starshine. Let's have a go. Apparently it's an award-winning bronzer. It retails for £16.60. It's talc and paraben free, and it says it's suitable for all skin tones. Tiny bit on my hand there. There. There, I'll put more on. That's better. You can see the colour better. That's really pretty, isn't it? That's nice. Ooh, it's got slight shimmery little particles in it. Not over the top. If it was over the top, I wouldn't wear it. But no, I think that's quite nice. I think that'd be really nice now coming into spring, summer months. It just feels really nice and soft as well. Really nice to blend. Yeah. But yes, we got a mineral blush there. Next, we've got a cream eyeshadow from Ulak. I haven't heard of this brand before. It's full size and it retails for £8 in shade Regal. I'll have a look now to see if we all receive the same shade. Oh, oh, look. Look at that. Let's try a little bit on my side there. That is a gorgeous colour. Yeah. A soft sponge-like crease-free eyeshadow is infused with luxurious pearlescent pigments to deliver a veil of ultralight, versatile colour in a light reflecting shimmer finish that lasts all day long. So we got a cream blush from, how do you say it? Ulak. Ulak, I think that's what it is anyway. So there's that. Next we got Peter Thomas Roth, and this is a cucumber gel mask. Refreshing, cooling, moisturising gel. Helps to soothe the look of dry skin with cucumber extract. And this is 14 mils, and this is worth around £10.95. This ultra gentle gel helps soothe, hydrate and detoxify the look of dry, irritated skin with botanical extracts of cucumber, papaya, chamomile, pineapple, sugar maple, sugar cane, orange, lemon, bilberry and aloe vera. Excellent for helping to calm and soothe the skin's appearance after sun exposure, peels, waxing, facials and extractions. This was a wonder mask. And then lastly, we've got an eye brush from Spectrum. This is from their Rock and Glam range. It's A40 Smoky Shader, and this is obviously full size and it retails for £8. I love Spectrum. There. This is a smoky shader. So a nice blending brush there. And there you go, those are all the products inside this month's glossy box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we got the amazing ISO Clean. It's a professional brush cleansing spray without a lid. Don't know where the lid's gone. We got a Bella Pierre mineral bronzer. We've got an Ulek creamy eyeshadow in shade Regal. We've got an A40 smoky shader brush from Spectrum. And lastly, we've got a cucumber gel mask by Peter Thomas Roth. The cost of the box is £13.50 a month, and that includes shipping. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the contents this month? I absolutely loved last month's box. I thought it was brilliant. And looking at the contents in this month's, I really like this one as well. Beauty monthly boxes can be hit and miss. Some are not very good. Sometimes we see a lot of repeats, especially if you're like me and you unbox a ton of different beauty boxes. And yes, there are some products in this box that I have tried before, but fortunately for me, I absolutely love them. I'm thinking of the makeup cleansing spray. But yeah, overall, I think it's a really good box for £13.50. But I want to know what you think. Do you like it? Are you a subscriber? Are you looking forward to receiving it? Or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.